Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the live session, New York live session on Tradin. So we have a big gap on gold. We have a big gap on gold from 4600, and now let's do some analysis because I'm in a short on gold. I'm in a short trade on gold right now. I'm just going to break down the charts. So basically, I'm looking at this London session. I'm looking at this London session range, and I can see that we have these London highs as our resistance, and we have these London lows. I would say like Asian lows, right? Because price action already took out the London lows right here. So I'm expecting the price, like if the price action is not able to go above this resistance, then we can expect a pullback to take out the Asian lows. Let's see. I will wait like 5-10 minutes because right now there's some good projections right here, and I'm in short. From my entry is 4672. Yep, this is my entry, and I have my stop loss right above the London highs. I'm expecting a move down till 4664. This could be like 80 pips of a move. It can also go down, like it can go down all the way to Asian lows. Let's see. My entries are open. Hey, Anand, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? I just
Looking
woke
good,
up.
looking good. New office. What's up?
At the same place I'm staying for the past few weeks. Nothing much. Just yeah, sell rate is good, but again, market is still bullish.
Hmm.
I'm still hoping for a bullish momentum after it sweeps the low at the bottom. But I'm not like I've captured the buys in the morning. I woke up early, captured the buys.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think I'm done for the day. I'll see in market. Is there any opportunity?
Yes, even today we have US holiday, US
Then
bank holiday. That's why like price action throughout the day, like it just ranged in this how much
mhm.
pips? Like 250 pips of a range.
How was your weekend?
Oh, it was good. It was
Yeah,
really
yeah, I
good.
saw your status. I saw your post.
Yeah.
Like, I think the tariff is still affecting the U.S. economy, that which came recently.
Yes, the Denmark situation, the tariffs, the geopolitical
Yeah. So
situation.
I'm
I think.
still bullish on gold. My Friday sell was based on, like I just in order to break that high, it needed more orders. That's what I felt, and that news exactly came. It hit my TP, then it went back again up very strong. Monday I was on, that is today morning, I was on buy bias. So I captured around 400 pips in the morning.
Nice, nice. So in gold, like like high time frame, we have three gaps that are unfilled. One is here.
Hmm.
Usually the gaps they get filled, but due to
Yeah,
this,
they got filled in during London itself, like during before London itself, but market is acting very different now.
yes, it's acting different because of the tariff and Trump situation.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is just I'm just in this scalp short, uh, based on this London highest resistance. So let's see, even if I able to get a move down till this 1 minute order block, that's a point where I will be securing some of my positions. How's your futures trading going?
Pretty good actually.
Just taking some questions as well from the chat.
I don't need your body. I'm hoping gold just hit an order block. That's why small pullback is there. Can come
Not
60. I'm hoping it will come like 57, sweep it and go continue buy again. But let's see.
Mm-hmm. Yes, this 1 minute order block right here, it's a very small one. If you see right here this dodgy candle, I'm just gonna zoom in. This is somewhere I'm expecting a reaction from. Let's see.
Do you trade Nasdaq?
No, but I'll soon start Nasdaq as well next month.
I have started trading on challenges. I'm still trading live gold only. Not very confident with my setups, but I'm slowly improving. Let's see.
Nasdaq, man, it's really smooth. Like
I
it.
would probably look for a buy now, but again, New York. Let's see how it's like. It's been like bearish on New York for the past 1 week. Is there any questions for us in the chat?
Just looking. Yes,
Anand,
everyone. Today is bank holiday. Yes, today is bank holiday. Uh, that's why we are seeing low volume.
hmm.
Kashif, you could consider silver too. Yes, silver, but I'm trading silver physically, not not on forex. Like I've bought silver and see for 1 2 years.
Even I have bought some silver like the other day. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
for what price I bought, but I just randomly bought few. Like, I think it's less
Biscuits.
than like 250 grams. How much? I think so. I don't know.
Yep. Can
Watching
gold
my
continue to rise up in New York session? Yes, it can because this was your London high, and we can see like there was a lot of rejections from this London high 1 2 3, and after third rejection, I gave it a try for a scalp, but as you can see, like after dropping, like it's not
I don't think
going
it's
down.
going.
Yep.
I
I'm
think
just gonna close my positions at break even now.
I'm just gonna watch the market today. I'm not gonna enter any trades. I mean, it could potentially sweep 78, 80. Good close.
If it's not going down, that means that there's liquidity above Asian highs.
Yeah, there liquidity is there actually.
Yes. Like today is bank holiday, so I just gave this a very small scalp try. I'm waiting for it actually tomorrow, like Monday. Like always, always wait for the price action to develop on the high time frames.
Come on, go all time high. I think it can go 700 today slowly. I mean, there is no roof, but still. ANANDHA is a nice number. I just purchased like 6 funding pips accounts yesterday.
with the
Mm.
25% discount.
Yeah,
Nice. How much do you get it for? Like 100K with 25%.
I'm purchasing 50K. It's easier for me to. I'm using copy trader these days in order to execute. I think it was around $160 for a 50K account.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
And I'm planning to go aggressive next 2 days. In case if I'm failing, I'm able to purchase before the offer ends. That's bro, like it's the strategic plan I make even for buying accounts. Like I calculate it like this: 6 accounts you buy, right? You're saving $56 on an account, correct? That
Mm-hmm.
basically you're getting one and a half account free. No, two accounts technically free.
Yep.
And if I'm able to leverage that, if I can get max allocated within this 3 days, I can slowly trade for the next 4 months. Right, there is some grain like noise from your end, or is it from my end? Can you mute yourself? Yeah, it is from your end only. Now it's very peaceful. There is some grain like noise from your side.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's yeah, very good.
Okay. Like
No,
if you
the
look at silver, if you look at silver like on the daily, man, like silver wants to go $100.
silver is beautifully rising up. I think I've seen very less traders on silver.
Yep, but it's really good to buy silver like physically. I bought silver when it was $72 physically.
Okay.
So I bought at 72, like almost 2 kilograms, about
And how many kgs of gold did you buy?
2 kilos.
Gold.
No, silver. This is where I bought it, like exact, like somewhere here.
Rich guy, Kasif.
I'm just holding. I want to see, like, because the ratio. If you look at the ratio gold to silver, like there's a lot of potential in silver. Like there's people also saying like silver is gonna go 250, and I guess like it's really possible because I was looking at this. I was looking at the monthly chart on silver. Look at the monthly on silver. Fuck, huge for more than like 10 years. For more than like 10 years, it ranged almost like 25 to $35. This is like a 10 years of a range, and now like it's skyrocketing up. Definitely like there's fundamentals involved in this.
Hmm. Kasif's voice changed a lot. Yeah, he's practicing music these days.
Oh man, gold is dropping.
Dropping. No man, just moved two
Like
pips.
just
Right?
on the 2 pips there. Yes, like it's not able to break this high.
See, it recovered. The next candle recovered.
Yep.
There was a lot of. I'm not trading today. Like I'll just chill for the day. My
Hmm.
mind is like too tired. See, two that drop just recovered in one candle.
Yep. No, I'm already out of the position from this.
Yeah, let's just chill with these guys today. Monday, why to?
Yeah,
And
Monday
then
is.
bank holiday. Volume is bad. Why do you have to get into a trade and get stuck for the day? Am I correct?
Let's take in some questions.
Yeah. You guys have any questions? Please ask Kasif. My strategy, please buy gold. Very good strategy. I might look like Nas buy.
Nasdaq, Nasdaq, like it's trading around this demand zone right now. This one right here. Sayyid Numan says, "Are we in a buy or on a sell in gold?" We are in no trade, like no trade,
We are just chilling and seeing the market.
because this range is so tight. Like this
Yeah, we are
range,
not able to. We are not able to decide where to.
where to, which
Yeah.
direction it's gonna go, because
If
it's
it
weak.
breaks at least on the top, we would probably look for buys. If it
Exactly.
breaks on the bottom, we will look for sells. Can you just
Yes.
mark those levels like up and down? My buying levels would be above the previous week, which is
Just
above 79. No, above 81. Above 81. Yeah, above that. And confirmation is basically retesting that level.
mm,
Low is below that particular level. Like it has to break the low, retest that low. Then we will look for sells or buys. Otherwise, we are just gonna sit and watch ranging
mm,
market because it's been ranging from morning around close to how many? 7 hours. It's ranging,
yes.
so it's just trying to make which way to go.
Even Anand, I think like this is good. This buys above
Yeah,
4680, because it will just open room for
yeah.
4700.
My TP will be 700, but I would personally keep my TP at 4698.5 or
Yes.
4698. Yeah, I will not keep 700.
Like for early buyers, buyers could be above this London highs as well. But it's better to wait for 4680. That is the ultimate confirmation.
Mhm.
What's your win rate in your strategy and RR? Last 2 weeks in my community, like we had 92% win rate. Like this was the best month for us. Like last 2 weeks, 36 trades and 33 wins. And mostly like most of the trades were during London Open or NY Open or Asian Open.
Okay, one guy is asking, "Hey Anand, is it advisable to carry one lot buy on silver overnight?" Your question doesn't have the full information. One lot buy on where? Earning pips, challenge phase, or trade in broker, like where? Which platform exactly? So if it's on the challenge phases, I mean on the prop accounts, I don't recommend to hold it overnight. If it's on the broker, go ahead. Just check for the swap fees. Pretty much that's it. I don't like such markets. Like I feel sorry for people who entered on trade before London and just still waiting. Fuck, ranging. Let me see how many candles are there today. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hours it's ranging.
Hmm. Like
11 to be precise.
if we simply look at the 1 hour, this whole range, this whole range is going to hit a lot of stop losses. Like it's going to confuse a lot of
Yeah,
people. Like,
lot
so
of lot of people will be like, busting their accounts.
yes, this range, this right here. And obviously, like any candle closing above this range, like if the candles closes above, if the 1 hour or 30 minute closes above 4680, uh, this will definitely open room for 4700. If this closes below 4650, then there's a high possibility for the price to fill this gap. So right now, like it's just patience game. Like let the price action do its thing.
Hmm. Why both people looks like tired? I am tired because I woke up early for the trade and I was sleeping right now. And it's exhausting. Now it's coming again. Du-du-du-du. What man, Kashif, where are you traveling next?
I'm traveling Malaysia.
Where?
Malaysia,
Oh, okay.
probably next month. There's a question: which win rate in 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio is better for beginners? Like, I would suggest if you're a beginner in trading, go for a 1 to 1 and try to find out your strike rate at 1 to 1. Because the way gold is moving nowadays, I've personally seen gold like usually goes like 1 to 1.5. So try to target 1.1 and back test. If you get like a 80% win rate with a 1 to 1 in your strategy, then you are good to go. Then obviously, like with experience, you will get to know when to increase your risk to reward ratio. But the most important thing is to first practice with 1 to 1 risk to reward and try to find out a higher strike rate, win rate. I use where to backtest free. I use FX Replay for backtesting. There's a lot of softwares online to backtest. Even you can backtest on TradingView. You can backtest on TradingView if you have I guess, paid version of TradingView. You can backtest on lower time frames. How much lot size should I risk on a 5K account to safely pass it? With 5K, I would say not more than 0.05. Not more than 0.05 because gold average move is 100 pips. Your average stop losses nowadays is 70 to 100 pips in gold. So if you're using a 0.05, that means you are risking 1% per trade. If you want to go like 2%, then you go 0.10. Best way to withdraw payout from prop firm. I personally use crypto with funding pips, and it's really smooth. It's really smooth. Even the other methods are good as well, but for me, like crypto is more convenient. I guess this
Today,
this is a this is an advantage with funding pips because it directly gives you the payout in your crypto wallet. You just need to verify your wallet, like either you want a payout in your Binance, in your MetaMask, you can get direct payout.
yeah, and also for withdrawal and deposit, use the same freaking wallet. Don't change it. Not-
Yes, yes. Use the same wallet for purchasing challenges, for getting withdrawal. Use the same wallet.
So when you get a wallet, please note down the security key. Have it somewhere very safe with your locker or somewhere people won't even know. Don't have it digitally. Write it down somewhere. Keep it very safe.
True. Yo, Ananda, I'm
What you're leaving?
I don't know, man. Like I'm in a very small short. It's still open.
Okay.
I know like the overall bias is bullish, but from here,
Yeah, it
I'm
can go. It can go till 59 and sweep. But again,
yeah,
why to be in this boring market? See how long. Either it has to take out our SL very fast or TP very fast. It's just like very slow. It's like that
yeah.
sloth. Like that. It's moving. So like I am done for the day. I'm not gonna look for any trades or looking for it. Like you need that volume, okay? You should expect the volume. We are expecting the volume on that New York,
Hmm.
uh, but today I don't expect any particular. Look at this. It just came
Yep.
down, single candle went up.
Yes.
So why all this? Like, and why are you trading a counter trend move right now? That is
No, it's
also.
a, it's a very low risk. I'm just curious. I want to find out. The
you
more you
you
fuck
you
around,
just
the
want
more you find out.
entertainment.
I'm just fucking around with the market.
Yes, funding pips do have bank transfer option, crypto, credit card option, as well as you can directly, whichever credit card you use to purchase, you can get it back there. And also you can use Rice. I personally have used Rice and crypto. Beautiful process. I have not used the other two. In case if I use, I can comment about it. Hello, Wall Street.
Anand, have you visited Mahabaleshwar Hill Station?
No, I have not. Where exactly is it? I have to Google it. I'm in Pune for the next month. 1 week I'll be in Pune, by the way. Bro, West, wait, oh, that you have already answered. Sir, how much risk is in $1,000 live account in 1:1 RR? See, your risk is not determined. If you're risking five, then it's $5. The risk comes to $1,000 live account. Probably you can risk around 3%, which is $3 or $5. Like, it's a very good. No, not $3, $30 or $50. Should be a very good risk.
Like lot of people have this question, like when they start trading, how much they should risk. I would say like risk the amount in a trade that you can afford to lose. That it's not
Yeah.
gonna
No, the
mentally disturb you.
capital should be what he can lose. And
Yes,
yeah, either he can lose a capital in a day or in 10 days, just determined by him.
true.
That should be for example, for me, if I'm affording to lose $1,000 in a month, okay, then I will look for one percentage every single day. Or if I can lose it in 10 days, I will look for like 5% or 6% per trade. So that's how it will work.
Yes, like it's very simple. Like if you're trading $1,000 account and you're about to go in a trade, like ask yourself, like if you lose $50 in that trade, are you comfortable? Are you mentally stable after the loss? No. If you get the answer as no from your heart, then you go down to like $20. If you still think like $20 is too much and you will be disturbed, you will be upset, then you go for $10 and you say, okay, $10 is a good amount. That is the risk that you have to take. You need to be comfortable in trading.
There is a question. What about Binance? Yes, you can withdraw. Binance is also an exchange plus they have wallets. You can take it up to you. But again, it's too much work. Again, from Binance, you have to convert, get it back. It's very, rates are low.
Amir Rashid says, like, which pair is this? My friend, can't you see the price? 4671. It's obviously it's gold. It's gold. We are watching gold right now.
We mostly watch gold, I think. I think
Yes.
most of the streamers or in the Funny Pip team, me, you, Astus, everyone trades gold mostly.
Samco as well.
Rosa, Rosa,
Yes.
everyone trades gold. Come on, man, break somewhere. Either go up or down. I don't care, but but just break.
I guess like it's only gonna move with New York Stock Exchange open, like in one
Yeah,
hour.
I think no, not 1 hour. It's in 28 minutes.
No, it's in an hour. 6:30 Dubai time.
I don't know. Let's see. Yes, on we have to pay tax, hire a CA, get your CA done. Bro, how does it me being single or married like makes sense? Like
May
what kind of questions do you guys on the live stream? Okay, I think it will break up. No, not breaking up, going down. Coming to that question of risk management, how can you make $1,000 if you risk? You can't make that exactly. You can only make how much you can afford to lose. Okay, if you are risking too much, you will make more. If you're risking less, you will make very less, but you have to compound slowly. Would love to meet up if you come to Pune. I'll let you know, guys. Like if we have a meetup with Pune, me and Rohit also will be there. How much you follow the ICT concept question to profit? I don't know ICT concepts at all. I personally think it's just a bunch of extra
fancy words.
fancy words on the same support and resistance
Yeah.
order log and sweeps,
Simple as
where
your
people have built it to sell course. I
Yep.
should not be saying this, but it's fine. Like, but
It's
it's nice. People are making money. People are using fancy words and trading and stuff. Good.
like right here, this is your London highs. You can say this is a resistance, you can say this is a liquidity, you can say this is a buy side liquidity, whatever you want, but in the end, like, it's a resistance. Simple as that.
Look at those wicks, so irritating wicks. Worst price action man today. Gold is not golding.
Yeah, let's just take in some questions from the chat, like psychological questions related to technicals. We would love to answer because today gold's not going to do anything. And then how much you can? There's a question for you. How much you can withdraw and be safe in India?
You- See, bro, like you have to understand, you can't evade tax. You have to pay. So just pay tax, and that's about it.
And
There is no limit for it. Like make sure no you have a tax CA ready. You have your answers ready for the bank. Go for it. I like some people's questions like they won't even reach payout stage. They want to know how they will take payout. Like, see, I have learned everything when I reach that stage.
exactly.
Correctly. So when I started trading, no one knew how to take withdrawal. Like you reach your profit. There are steps where you can learn. But people before even they start trading, they'll give up. Oh, this much complication. Rice is there, ad is there. They won't trade. So like whoever asked me something, I said first you trade, make profit. Then you send me a screenshot telling that you have requested for payout. Then I will help you.
Yes.
Without paying tax, Praveen, you can't trade. You have to pay tax. Just give me a minute. I have a parcel. We can't see emojis here, Praveen.
What a boring price section.
Yeah, I think
By
we'll
the
end
way,
the stream in like 5 minutes. I am tired.
I'm still in shorts. I'm still in
I mean,
sells.
your TP, you can have your liquidity sweep taken at 59. Like,
Yeah, it was just a scalp. I
but
hope.
why? Like, see, for me, it's like, see, my mind is like that. I, if I'm there to make money, I have to make money. Like, this small money is not like good enough for
Doesn't
me.
excite you.
Yeah, so I don't really get into such small tricks.
Hmm.
I left my job after I became little profitable and the world got to know about me. If that breaks, then you can have a sweep downside.
Yep.
That candle breaks.
Yes. If
It will
it's
go. It will go up. See.
yep. Let's see. Yeah, because if it just drops like 20, 30 pips more, I'm just gonna secure full and there you go.
Okay.
Uh, this is my target. This order block. 1 minute order.
There is a resistance change support level as well.
Yes. This.
Mr. Shivakumar, go watch our old streams. We have explained how we take our entries individually. We are tired of telling that every single stream. And it's not about entry or exit setups. It's about how you take a trade, how you stay in a trade, how your mentality is, everything. Even if we tell in a million years, Shivakumar, if you're not changing,
Yes.
if you're not changing your question, not put into the hard work, I don't think you can ever learn that.
If you will not backtest, you will never be able to find out.
Why sometimes news like inflation rate or employment claims do not affect the market? Because market sentiment will be buy and that news rate will be bullish, so sometimes it might nullify or it just moves very little. So if market is bullish and the news is very bullishly powerful, it goes very fast. That's how sometimes, or sometimes the news what it's coming, the rates and everything will be whatever forecasted will be equal to the actual, so there won't be any reaction to the market. So that's how it works. See, I told you it will go up from there.
Pushpak says, which strategy you use?
Bro,
I
I
buy.
just my strategy is just buy gold, buy gold.
My strategy is I buy high and I sell low. I buy at the top and I sell at the lows.
Okay,
Always making loss.
this is just called T angle. Hello, Ace. What's up? Hmm?
What means hard work in trading? This is hard work, like waiting for the market to make a move. This is the only hard work you do in trading. Waiting. Waiting for the move, waiting for your setups, being patient. That's the hard work. Staying disciplined.
Oi, I need to learn from Anand sir. I'm not gonna teach anyone.
Anand has a paid mentorship.
No, I stopped it actually. You're not aware of it.
Stopped it.
Oh, yeah. So I'll tell you what happened. So I had around 20 people approximately. Okay, almost 16. Let's put like 13 or 14 people are funded and taken payout. One guy did 50,000, no, 45,000 total in 2 months. Okay, and there are a couple of guys who have done 11 payouts consistently. Whereas this time interval, I personally did only like 8K in payouts. Oh, gold drop.
Yep.
Yours is with me.
Yes, all of my positions are in profit, and I guess now I'm gonna close right here.
So I decided to stop to concentrate on myself. So the December and January, I'm just concentrating on myself. So whatever I have made in the last 2 years, I have made in a year, in a month. Just because I have concentrated on myself and I was very clear on what I'm doing. Then I'll push up now. He's stop playing around.
I'm out of the position.
Okay, let's see a reversal from here. It hit that support zone, right? Sorry, resist. Yeah, previous. Massive fall. This is not massive fall.
See, this was the order block I was targeting.
Yeah, that's what we can see a reversal from here. If it misses bottom,
Yep, this could be a bottom to go back up.
hmm.
Let's see.
Yeah, there is no power. Let's see. Chalo, Kashif, I think I'll drop off. What about you?
I'm just gonna stay like 15 more minutes.
Okay,
And
you like I have a couple of people who has come over, so I just have to
sure,
talk to
sure,
them.
sure, sure. Take your time.
Hello, guys. See you next time.
Yep. Take care.
Sorry for no trade today because market is not in my favor. Sure, bye.
Okay. Bye. All right, guys. So I was looking at this 1 minute order block to close my shorts. And as you can see, like price action exactly tapped into this 1 minute order block, and now it's going up from here. So if you guys took a buy from this as well, it's good. So this position is done right here. Now just gonna look at this 1 minute structure. So obviously, like, I'm not gonna get into a buy now because the order flow is still bearish. You see like lower highs, lower lows right here. I want to see like 5 minute 15-minute candle impulsively. Like, for me, I will only be taking buys if a candle closes bullish like this. If a candle closes bullish like this from this 1 minute order block, then the following candle I can take a buy to take out these Asian highs, right? This right now is just respecting this 1 minute. Let me just take in some questions. What's your experience, 18 years old kid? Oh, I just got a message from your mom and she's asking me gold buy or sell. She's pretty much confused. I feel understanding the logic behind market is key to win the market with at least 60% win rate. That's why I'm interested in understanding the deeper logic. Bro, like, I simply use a very simple concept. I use order blocks, supply and demand zones on any time frame. Like, if I'm trading a session, let's say if I'm trading this New York session, then I'm looking at demand zones and I'm looking at supply zones. So for me, like, this low right here, because this was a bearish candle, bullish candle, and then an impulsive move up, for me this would be an order block, right? So obviously, like, I will wait for the price action to give me a reaction from this order block to get into a buy trade. Just like the way you see on the 1 minute time frame, this order block right here. Similarly, I look at on the high time frames. It's pretty simple strategy. Like, along with order blocks, I also use liquidity. For example, like, every session high and every session low is my liquidity level. For example, this is your Asian highs. We have liquidity above Asian highs. This is your London highs. We can see like a lot of candles already rejecting the London highs. So that means like there's liquidity above the London highs. So if the price action starts to, let's say if the price action starts to go in this direction, we know like the overall trend is bullish. And let's say the candle closes impulsively bullish. Now that means like it will increase my probability. It will increase the probability that the price action now it can take out the liquidity above London highs and Asian highs. So yes, like with in trading, like you have to be dynamic. Sometimes you have to uh, add confirmations and confluences to plan your entry. Massive fall. I'm just gonna call it a day. uh, I'm just gonna call it a day because this was the trade off for Asian session. When we started the stream, you guys can go back and you guys can watch that I went into a short from 4672 with a stop loss above London highs, and this is where I secured my full position. And the thought process was pretty simple. London highs, if the price action is not able to take out these London highs, then I went into a short because my stop loss was too less. It was a riskier position, but the stop loss was too less. It was just like, 20 pips. And for 20 pips, I got like 60 pips, 1 to 3. Overall, I'm going to give you guys a bias for today on the 30-minute time frame. It's pretty simple. If you have a closure above 4670, then price action will move towards 4700 right here. If we have a closure below 4650, which is also Asian lows, 4653, if we have a closure below this, then you will be expecting the price action to fill this gap. And this gap is not small. This gap is almost 600 pips. 600 pips of a gap. So keep an eye on this. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe day after tomorrow, there could be a very violent move like this to fill this gap, and then price action continues to move back up. And this kind of drop has happened before as well. Last Friday, when price action out of nowhere, it dropped 800 pips. So there could be a move. Even now, like you see the candles now. Look at the 5 minute, just dropping. Possibly, it's dropping to take out this Asian lows. Let's see. Do you ever look at Fibonacci levels on the daily and 4-hour? No, I don't look at Fibonacci levels. However, I use premium and discount levels. Premium and discount means like if I have a price leg from the lows to the highs, half of that range, like 50% of that range, below 50% of this move will be my discounted zone. Above 50%, that is my premium zone. So I tend to buy in discounted zones and I tend to sell at premium zones. How do you define order flow validity? Order flow means your 1 minute structure. Simple. Like for example, if you're looking at 5 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame, for example, for me right here on the 30-minute time frame, the order flow is bullish. How it's bullish? Because the candles, they are making higher highs and higher lows. You see right here, order flow on the 30-minute is bullish, but on the 1 minute time frame, let's say if I took a scalp sell from here, the order flow is bearish on the 1 minute. Lower lows, lower highs. Your structure is your order flow. Your higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, that is your order flow. This type of move is confusing. Yes. Thank you, Kashif. Okay, I'm just gonna call it a day. Take care, boys. There's no volume, so I'm just gonna call it a day. Although like sells, they played out pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Take care, everyone.